In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your Glassdoor review. Whether you spotted a typo, want to clarify a point, or simply need to update your experience. This quick walkthrough will show you exactly where to go and what to click so your review reflects what you intend to say. First, sign into your Glassdoor account. You'll find the sign in option in the top right corner of the homepage. Make sure you're using the same account you originally used to write the review, since your contributions are tied to that profile. If you can't see your past activity, double check that you're logged into the correct account. Once you're in, head to your profile. Click the profile icon in the top right corner and select contributions from the drop-down menu. This is your personal hub for everything you've shared on Glassdoor: company reviews, interview insights, salary information, and other posts. It's the fastest way to find and manage what you've already published. Next, locate the specific review you want to change. Look under the appropriate section, like company reviews or interviews. If you've shared multiple posts, scan the list and pick the one that needs attention. The entry will display the company name and a snippet of your original text, which helps you confirm you've got the right one before you proceed. When you've found it, click the edit button associated with that review. This opens the editor where you can refine your headline, update ratings, adjust pros and cons, or clarify interview details. Keep your edits factual, constructive, and respectful, and avoid sharing sensitive or identifying information about yourself or others. A clear, balanced update helps other job seekers and keeps your post aligned with community guidelines. Before we continue, if you need quick access, I've placed the official link to Glassdoor and the download links for the mobile app right at the top of the description so you can get there instantly. Finally, submit your changes by clicking Save. Glassdoor may recheck your updated review to ensure it meets their guidelines, so it might not appear immediately. Give it a little time if you don't see the changes at once. If you're updating something time sensitive, read it over carefully before saving to avoid multiple revisions. That's all there is to it. Sign in, open your contributions, find the review, click edit, and save your updates. With these simple steps, you can keep your Glassdoor review accurate and helpful for everyone who reads it. If this guide helped, feel free to share it with someone who might need it. Thanks for watching.